Hello everyone, welcome. Today I'm going to show you how to bridge between Facebook and ClickBank product. Many people want to promote ClickBank product on Facebook, but Facebook is totally prohibited to promote your ClickBank link. Let me show you. Say for example, if you navigate to clickbank.com and log into your account. This is a new account or one of my clients. Um, like I'm logging in. Then I'm already inside of my client's account. Now I'm going to marketplace. Say for example, I want to promote a product from CB Passive Income. CB Passive. And if I search the product, it's right here, right? So I want to promote. I click on promote, then click on create, and here is the product link. All right. Now, if I go to Facebook, and promote it directly, say for example, sign up, sign up, blah blah blah, and what will happen? Facebook will not allow me to promote this link because ClickBank, you see, the posts that you like spam according to our community guidelines are blocked on Facebook and can't be edited. So you cannot do it. But you want to promote it, how you want to do it. I can show you how you can do it. Okay. I think this is one of my posts here. Okay, so how you can do it? Now go to your Google. I go to my Google address, then I'll click on this icon, Google Apps. Okay, then click on Google Drive, and I just click on new. I want to create a new project or file. Click on Google Docs. Okay, and new template will be open, so you can write here anything you want. Okay, say for example you want to promote the link you created just now. I just created. Okay, um, I can write, are you struggling to make money? Okay, I can make it a little bigger. Usually go to font and make it 18. Okay, and I can make it bold, Control B. Okay, you are at the right place. Okay, right place. Just click here to watch the video and take action. Okay, now just click here. I will make it a little nice so that people can click here. Okay, so I highlight it, then I click on this insert link icon and put the link here. Okay, this is ClickBank link that we created. You see, now I want to make a different color. I want to make it red so that anyone can have a look at first sight. Okay, even I can make it bigger. What I'm doing is just I press on shift control button and greater than sign. To make it smaller, I just press on less than sign. Okay, and I can make it even bold if I want. Okay, it's already bold. Now even I can insert insert a picture if I want. I want to insert an image from my computer. Okay, so what I can do is I just can grab a picture from here, click here, and I'm taking this picture right here. Okay, now what I want is uh, I just click here. Okay, then put the link again, put the link, affiliate link here, and click on apply, and it has been applied. Now anybody click here on the picture, it will take them to my affiliate link that I have created. So people can click here to go to the link to watch the video. If they like it, they will join it. When they will join it, you are making commissions, right? Now what you can do, even if you want to make it a little smaller, you can do it. If you want to make bigger, you can make it bigger too. So now what I want to do is I want to share it. Okay, I'm going to make it shareable. Sorry. Now are you okay? And I just save it, then I click get shareable link right here and copy the link, and the link has been copied. Okay, now let us check whether they are working fine. Okay, now I just sign out. I'm sorry, and just paste the link here and check. You see, now it's working, and when you click here, it's taking you to the link directly, and now you can share it to your Facebook or in any social media. Okay, now even if you want to uh, watch here, or anybody want to watch here, he or she can just click here and watch from here too. So it's working now. All right, now what you can do is just go to your Facebook and just go to any group and share with your friends. Okay, it's here. Now what you can do, just write do you want to make passive income while sleeping, please click on the video and watch it. How? Right now, you don't need to put any link, just you can post it. Now, what will people do? They will read it and they just click here, and they will also click here and go to the video. If they like it, they will join with the program. When they join, you will be making 50% commission. Thus you can share, you can bridge between Facebook or any social media and ClickBank product. Thank you very much for watching the video.